Title 12, Final Provisions. Article 254. Titles 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 15 of Book 1 of Republic Act No. 386, otherwise known as the Civil Code of the Philippines as amended, and Articles 17, 18, 19, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 39, 40, 41, and 42 of Presidential Decree No. 603, otherwise known as the Child and Youth Welfare Code as amended, and all laws, decrees, executive orders, proclamations, rules, and regulations or parts thereof inconsistent herewith are hereby repealed. 255. If any provision of this code is held invalid, all the other provisions not affected thereby shall remain valid. 256. This code shall have retroactive effect insofar as it does not prejudice or impair vested or acquired rights in accordance with the Civil Code or other laws. 257. This code shall take effect 1 year after the completion of its publication in a newspaper of general circulation as certified by the Executive Secretary, Office of the President. Publication shall likewise be made in the Official Gazette. Done in the City of Manila, the 6th day of July in the year of our Lord, 1987.